Good afternoon and welcome to another Toolbox tour video. And in this video I'm going to be reviewing this digital tyre inflator. So this is one I've seen from Aldi in the Specialbuys. Now I can't guarantee it being in stock by the time you see this video. I'm recording this on the 26th of May 2021 and it'll be well into June before this video actually comes out. So can't guarantee it being in store at the time you're watching this video. But these sort of things come around every so often, so just keep a lookout for it if you want one. Or if you look at there might be some left, because usually once they're gone, that's it until they come back around again. And there you can tell for Aldi. So it's a digital tyre inflator. So let's get it. Let's get the box opened up because everybody loves a good unboxing, don't they? So see what the contents of the box are. We've got the instructions. And it's like some sort of a EC declaration of conformity, warranty card, so I might register that, and I think it's all in English, usually umpteen languages. Yeah, it looks like it's all in English. Anyway, we won't worry about that. Let's see what else is in the box. So we've got the inflator itself. We've got the power cord. There we go, which is your standard 12 volt socket. We used to call them cig lighters, but I'd let anybody use it for lighting cigarettes. Well, they call it cigar lighter. But let's have a look. We've got the adapter on the end. Now this fits your normal car valve, your trader valve, and it screws in. There's also an adapter on the back, you know, for like inflating, use it for inflating footballs and such like. So that's handy. It's handy place to keep the adapters so they don't get lost. There's my foot pump. It's in the box. I think that's all there is to it. And there's an LED light as well, which is handy if you need to do a bit of roadside work at night. And just have a quick look in the instructions, because there's your your three buttons below the display, up and down, presumably to adjust the pressure you want. And let's have a look. Tells you what the buttons are. There tells you what everything does. So let's have a look. It tells what it is. So yeah, that's your valve connector. Yeah, and I don't know. It just says the M button. That don't tell me. It might be for storing something in memory. So yeah, you just press the M button and it sets the pressure, and you're all good. So just have a quick look through the instructions, see what it says. It just gives you about 3 pages of warnings. So yeah, so plug it in, display, remove the dust cap from the tyre valve, yeah, obviously, screw it in. Oh, the M button, you can change the type of units, whether you want it in bar or PSI, because there's a conversion chart. There we go, because we've got kilopascal. Oh, just kilopascals as well. But generally, just go by PSI. calculated pressure in pounds per square inch. It'll tell you what to do, so oh yeah, you got to set the value. Use the M button to set the value. And it won't go in here. Oh yeah, there's an inflator on off button. Yeah. Yeah. So I think I have an idea how to do it. So we'll try it on a couple of my cars. We'll see how we get on. So the first thing I'm going to try is on the Citroen. So it just screws in. Like so. And no power to it, just make sure it's properly connected to like a socket. Yeah, that should be working. I might have to try. There we go. We got live. So we'll just set it to 35. 35 psi. Press in. Now the different units. Press and hold it down to store it in the memory. It's still revert to 30.5 psi. I'm going down, that's why. So it's set at 33. And there we go, there's the lights lighting up. A bit confusing, this one. So I'll try it again on the other side. So once you screw it in, it shows you what the pressure is. So set it to 35. Yep, 35. Press start. and it stops once it reaches the required pressure. So just unscrew that. So I think I need to read those instructions again. So I'll try with Toyota, and this time I'll follow instructions. So first thing I need to do is to plug this in. I might just roll the window down. So sorry for the camera angle, I'm reaching in through the open window, plugging it in. There should be power to it. Don't know why. No, there's no power to it, so can't test it on the Toyota. Unless I've popped a fuse for the sig lighter socket. No, I suspect just twist it round in case it's just a bad connection, corroded connection, and there's still no power, so that's not happening. So the Toyota wasn't a goer, so this time following the instructions, plug it into the power, connect the arrows to the valve, and it's reading 31.5 psi. Then you press the M button to select pressure gauge measurement, either in bar, kilopascals or psi. We'll go with psi. You press either of these for 5 seconds until the display flashes. So we'll go up and there we go. We can select the pressure, so we'll go for 35 till and press the M button. Oops, hold it down. So got 5, press M button and wait till the display stops flashing, and pressing the button, it should inflate the tyre. And there it stopped, and up to 35 psi, so it's all done. So that's it for this video. Gonna wrap it up here. Hope you enjoyed this one and gives you an insight into whether this is worth buying or not. I needed a tyre inflator because I don't have one. I thought I'd try a digital one, see if it's any good. It seems to be alright. Does the job once you know how to work it. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Don't forget to click on the select all on the notifications. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.